Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. Oh, I forgot to make coffee for my parents. Today I'm going to make coffee for my parents. So these are my coffee beans, and I'm going to grind them in a traditional way. This is a real coffee grinder. It's very old. It comes from the olden days, but it still works. Now I will be putting more coffee into the coffee grinder. Now I'm going to be putting my coffee seeds in my coffee grinder. This is the part where the magic happens. I'm going to grind. I'm not done yet. I'm almost done. Let's check. Let's check it again. It smells so good. I wish you can smell your cell phone or tablets or TV. It's time to brew. Here you go, coffee served with a little bit of coconut sugar and some almond milk.